right, I now have more breaking inputs, viewers coming in. Rahul Gandhi has targeted Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the handling of the education protests. Rahul Gandhi said the Prime Minister should apologize to students, alleging that the education and testing system has been hollowed out, and questioning his silence over the issue.
एंड हमने कहा कि देखिए हम स्टूडेंट इशू पे डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं और स्पीकर ने हमें कहा कि डिस्कशन के लिए उन्हें सरकार से पूछना है। मतलब आप समझिए, स्पीकर इज टेलिंग अस दैट टू डिबेट इन पार्लियामेंट ही हैज टू टेक परमिशन फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट। ही इज ओपनली टेलिंग अस दैट। ठीक है, देखिए इशू स्टूडेंट्स की है, यूथ के फ्यूचर की है, और ये जो किया जा रहा है, लोगों को मारा जा रहा है, पीटा जा रहा है, दिस इज कंप्लीटली अन इंडियन। मोदी जी हैज नॉट इवन अपोलोजाइज्ड फॉर व्हाट हैज हैपेंड यस्टरडे। नाउ ये जो युवा हैं, ये एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में, टेस्टिंग सिस्टम के बारे में प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। पूरा देश जानता है कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम, टेस्टिंग सिस्टम इज ब्रोकन, इट हैज सीज्ड टू एग्जिस्ट। टेस्टिंग सिस्टम हैज बीन hollowed out by termites. That is all they're saying. Nothing wrong with it. We've been saying it. I've been doing presentation after presentation about this. Why is the Prime Minister silent? What is the reason? He should apologize to the students, and he should stop this nonsense of police people thrashing students. This is completely wrong.
All right, of course, viewers, a big face-off there. I have joining me my colleague very shortly, but while PM Modi is saying that strict action will be taken against those accused in the NEET paper leak case, Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav are of course raising their own questions. Akhilesh Yadav is saying, why no resignation for Dharmendra Pradhan? I have my colleague Arzu Seth joining me with the latest updates. Arzu, what can you tell us?
Well, yes, a political storm has erupted over the violent crash during the NEET protests in Delhi, where stone pelting, tear gas and confrontation between the protesters and police left over 100 police personnel and several protesters injured. In fact, opposition has mounted a united attack on the central over the police action. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi accused Prime Minister Narendra Modi of being anti-youth, while Priyanka Gandhi questioned the use of forces against the students. Right now, we were still listening to the statement of Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. He in fact attacked the Prime Minister and said why till now he has not apologized to the youth for what happened yesterday, and in fact he demands the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, as well as we talk about Rahul Gandhi. The Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has also accused Prime Minister of being anti-youth and not considering what the youth are saying, and also the lathi charge or whatever has happened yesterday. In fact, he also mentioned that the Prime Minister should apologize, should come forward and talk about the issue of the youth that they are raising since several days. In fact, Prime Minister has given the instructions in the NDA meeting that all states should ensure together, they should work quarterly to ensure that such things should not happen in future, and strict action will be taken against those involved in such activities in the paper leak issue. Yes.
All right, Arzu, stay on with me. I'll come back to you.